Hello, today I'm looking at a new feature in Go-HighLevel that is how to share documents and content templates. By using this feature, agencies will be able to share documents templates with different sub-accounts, and also this will also help agencies to minimize the effort needed to create certain reusable templates for different sub-accounts. For accessing this feature, first you need to get into sub-user level account of Go-HighLevel and click on payments. After clicking on payments, you need to click on documents and contents. After that, you need to click on templates. After clicking on templates, I can see a bunch of templates here if there is anything. Or if you want to create new one, I can click on new or I can click on new template or upload a PDF. After that, if I want to share this template, I can click on this and I can click on share. After that, here I need to select the location, like I'm selecting a random location here. And after that, I can click on share. This is the one unique feature which is used by the Go level for sharing documents and contact templates. Thank you.